Hello everyone, this is Unity Edu Consult, and in this video we'll show you how to create your WBS, which is work breakdown structure. This is the lesson 4. In the previous lessons we explained how to create EPS, how to create a project. So in this video we are going to talk about WBS. As you can see, this is the project we've been working on: construction of 2-lane steel pedestrian bridge, and the project ID is SPB. Let's move over to see the WBS we are going to insert today. SPB1 down to 7. So let's move over to Primavera P6. We are going to open this project. I'm going to right click on the project, this project here. I'm going to right click and click on open project. So the first step is to open the project. When you open the project, it will take you to your activities page. It will not take you directly to your WBS. It will take you to your activities page. When we start adding our activities, you will understand better. But in this video, we are going to focus on WBS. So what is WBS? WBS is work breakdown structure. WBS is the hierarchical decomposition of the project into smaller and manageable tasks. You understand? So if we look at our directory toolbar, in our left hand side we'll come down to where we have this two double square that says WBS. I will click on it. So here we are in our WBS page right now. So we have 7 WBS to put here. So we are going to start adding them. To do that, I'll come over to my right hand side. I'll see this plus icon here. I'll click on it. Yeah, by default the WBS ID says SPB1 because the name of the project ID is SPB. So by default the WBS ID is SPB1. We are going to add 7 of them. I'm going to click on add again for the second time. Then this time around we are going to come down here to where we have this arrow. If you can follow my mouse better, the arrow says move left. I'm going to click on it once. Yeah, you can see the ID, the WBS ID, it says SPB2. We are going to add the third one. I'm going to come down to where we have move left again. I hope you can see my mouse pointer. I'll click on it. So if you don't want to click on this add all the time, for you to make the work faster for you, you understand, on your keyboard you can click on insert. You just come here and click on move left. You can see that one, SPB4. I'll click insert again. Come here, click 5, click on insert again. Come here, click on move left, click on insert again for the last time. Then I'll come here and click on move left. Yeah, so we are going to now go ahead and add the names of the WBS. I'll just copy it and paste, so you have to follow me step by step. I'll just copy the first one, which says project initiation. I'll copy it, come over to my Primavera P6 and I'll paste it. I'll copy the second one, substructure works, copy it. I'll paste it here. I'll copy the third one, superstructure steel works, copy it. Come over to Primavera P6 and I'll paste it. I'll copy the fourth one, decking and structure works, copy it. Come over to Primavera P6 and I'll paste it. Copy the fifth one, electrical and safety installations. Copy it. I'll paste it here. Copy the 6th one. External and access works. Copy it. Paste it. Copy the 7th one. Inspection and handover. I'll paste it. Yeah. We are done adding our WBS. We'll go back to our activities page. If you come up here, you see activities, you click on it. Yeah. So now you see it scattered like this, you understand? So you are going to do one thing. You are going to refresh it. To do that, you click on F5 on your keyboard. If you notice something, if I click on F5, you see it will arrange itself, you understand? So I'll just click on F5 on my keyboard. Yeah, here is it. So if you found this video helpful, please drop a comment, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and co-workers. In our next video, I'm going to show us how to add our activities as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.